malipay siya, pero mamatay na gyapon. Dili siya malipay, hindi mamatay. Kumilito siya ang happiness day sa usa ka mataguna sa mga batang ng dalawa. Abong kung ka man.
Together with all the blessings, working together, you know, tell the truth so that they can understand. This is not the time we need to mold and Other this time, we want to work as one body, one mind, centered upon our two mothers, that we can really do things that can benefit for the whole world, especially carrying the generation so that together we can contribute to the whole world. Finally, building young people who words this could be our starting point. Your kingdom is established through action. As always, though we are not worthy, Father, and always, Father, with the direction. But we want to be ultimate, Father, the heart of our soul. You do it our portion of responsibility. Especially wherever we go, always bring the spirit of peace, the spirit of love. There are many people unite together with us. Helping us in especially for guiding us. Thank you through children and also the true families, Father, who've been working so hard, centering us here. Father, thank you for all our ancestors. I pray that together we can mobilize without you, without our ancestors, without the good children. Father, thank you for everything, for all the blessings, for all the guidances, and all the inspiration. I pray starting point that we can commit against ourselves and really commit against ourselves. Our commitment and everything towards our children. Father, thank you. I would like to offer this prayer in behalf of Father, together with all the families of Laila, we would like to offer this prayer with all these things that for our ano, di ka mo bayad ya? Wow. Tony, kinsa naghimo ana? Pila man na siya, sir? Pwede mo palit? Palit ko. Kanang sunlight. Pila na siya? Pwede. Buak na lagi ng imong TV. Baligya pa na. Pagpila na. Ang motor, tagpila ng motor. Ha? Di na ibaligya. Barato ra. Barato ra di ay. Pwede utang. Utang. May walay bayad, pwede.
Yan, ito ba nga ito dinigyan bansa? Patay na ira. Pauna sa mga.
Ay, nag-video. What are you making, yeah? Let me see here. Explain to me, what's that? Where is the house? What's the other one? The table. Where's your table? What's the bed?